Welcome to the video series on citation for technical writing. The order of watching is up to you. The videos are designed as references as much as they're designed as a curriculum. However, here is an overview of what we're going to be learning. In the first video, we'll learn about why we cite in the first place. What is the point of taking other people's work and putting it into our own? And how do we appropriately give credit for that work? Then we're going to talk about the IEEE referencing and citation format, which is the format we're using throughout this course. We'll then get into a technical discussion about how to use Microsoft Word. We'll learn about how to make a new citation, how to insert the references section, and finally how to handle multiple authors in a single document, which is something you need to do in Microsoft Word in a different way from just inserting a basic citation. We'll talk about two important special cases. The first is citing a web page, which you'll be doing very frequently. The second is what to do when the source doesn't give you enough information. For example, the IEEE format often requires you to cite the city in which a book was published. But what happens if you don't find that information? And then we'll talk about working with figures. There are special ways to use Microsoft Word to insert a figure and reference it appropriately in the text. It becomes a little bit more complicated if that figure is someone else's work. So that figure must simultaneously be cited and also referenced appropriately in the text. We'll talk about how to do that. And finally, we'll talk about what happens when you insert a new figure and how you update all of those references and all of the citations so that the numbering scheme matches. Again, you're free to watch these videos in any order you'd like, but I'd recommend this if you're new to the idea of citation and new to the idea of using Microsoft Word for it. You might want to follow this order.